This is the ToughBuilt Large Rolling Massive Mouth Bag. With a 150-pound, 68-kilo weight capacity, its body measures 15 inches wide, 17 inches tall, and 12 inches in depth. Its patented angled massive mouth opens 15 inches, wider than any other bag in the market, allowing maximum visibility and access. This ultimate tool bag combines innovative features, superior performance, and unmatched craftsmanship. It unites the best of an impact-tested, waterproof hardbody with the versatility of fabric tool pockets. It includes a ClipTech Hub that attaches to the ClipTech bar, making it compatible with ToughBuilt's line of patented clip-on pouches for optimum tool organization. The main compartment is perfect for power tools, hand tools, and accessories. Store and organize tools and supplies using the 24 meticulously designed pockets, loops, and clips. They feature plastic-lined structured pockets that flex to keep tools in place, an electrical tape strap, tape measure clip, and a steel retention hook. It's constructed with high-quality 1680 denier fabric and heavy-duty rivet reinforcement for unrivaled durability. Its oversized, rugged off-road tires and wide, heavy-duty telescoping handle travel over every terrain with ease. This durable bag is built to withstand the harshest working environments. This is the ToughBuilt Large Rolling Massive Mouth Bag. It's not just a bag, it's ToughBuilt.